Hi, parents. Matt and Scott here, and we wanted to send a quick video to you. We've heard your concern that the scouting report is too long. So, Matt and I went back to the drawing board. We've shortened it down to about 24 questions. We'd like you to fill out those 24 questions. We think that that will lead you to the game plan. And if you need help with those questions, we'd like you to go to the scouting report video and just look for the number of that question. And there's some coaching contained in the video that will help you answer that question. Hope this works out better for you. And remember, get this scouting report submitted to Matt and myself so we can give you some feedback and we can get you on the way to building a vibrant and robust game plan.
And one final reminder, you can also reach out to us. Go to the website, theeducationgame.com, click on free help, and you can schedule a one-on-one conversation with Dr. Scott or I to work through specifics if you're having some struggles. A couple families have done that already. We think it's pretty helpful, so consider that as well. Thanks much, and we will see you soon.